My name is Jess Feller.
And I'm John Feller, and we own Aged and Infused in the Happy Hour shop here in Chicago.
And Bluevine makes us feel confident. We make a line of all natural alcohol infusion kits and cocktail supplies.
I'd say one of the most rewarding things about being a small business owner is just being able to create your own path.
Being able to put our roots here in the city, especially with this physical space, it's just something really beautiful, directly affecting our neighbors and our community and our economy. I'm most proud of creating a space where people can feel welcome and they can feel joy when they come in. And Bluevine thinks like a small business and it acts like a small business. Small businesses are so different from larger businesses where we need flexibility and we need to see where every single dollar and cent is going, because we don't want to be tied up in our finances all day, every day. We know that it's helping organize our finances in the background while we can focus on running our business. As the largest small business banking platform in the US, Bluevine has helped over 750,000 business owners like us turn ambition into reality.
From checking and lending to invoicing and bill pay, we use Bluevine to manage our business finances with ease so we can focus on making every hour happy hour. Learn more at bluevine.com.